Hello traders, welcome to another exciting video on trading channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Quantum Trade EA and the Quantum Emperor Expert Advisor, which is currently available on trading channel for just $25 only. And also this Expert Advisor is booked and is a third-party system, and the platform is MT5, which these Expert Advisors are available for. The currency pairs is GBP/USD, trades on the 1 hour time frame, GMT +3, all recommended by the developer. The broker is an ECN broker with low spread, and it also works on demo accounts. So the trading strategy utilizes a breakout trading strategy and market volatility according to what the developer says on MT5. So let's look at how to download this Expert Advisor. You can download this Expert Advisor on trading channel using this link here. So once you visit this link here, if you subscribe to our membership, you can download this Expert Advisor directly from the product page. But if you're not subscribed to our membership, you have to add to cart and check out. Just $25 only, but I strongly recommend you subscribe for our memberships, which is just $49 per month. It gives you access to all of our trading systems, including our strategy reports and more. In this video, we're going to be looking at the installation, and we're going to look at how the backtesting works. We're going to look at the Expert Advisor of the Quantum Trade EA on the backtest. Maybe in another video, we could do a review of the Quantum Emperor, right? So I have downloaded the Quantum Emperor here, version 1.7. As you can see, comes with two folders. We have the expert folder, and then we have the terminal, which includes the DLL file as well. Just going to right click here and extract the terminal here. Remember, I have my antivirus disabled, as it could flag this DLL file as viruses and delete them. Okay, so make sure you have your antivirus disabled, real-time protection, so that these DLL files would not be deleted from your folder. So we just right click here, we copy the files. We have our fresh MetaTrader 5 here. Just going to close out of this MetaTrader 5. I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click here. I'm going to click on properties, click on open file location. So we have the terminal for the Expert Advisor. So just going to right click, we're going to click on paste. Paste these files here. Click on replace to replace all of the files here. So once we're done with that, we can cancel out of that and then double tap on our icon here. So next, we're going to wait for it to load up. Alright, so we have it up here, and the next thing we're going to do is to head over back to the directory here, the Quantum Emperor. Open up the expert folder, right click and copy the expert here, then head over to our MetaTrader 5, click on file, click on open data folder, and then click on MQ5, click on expert, and then we're going to click on the advisors tab and then paste this here into the advisors folder. Now we have that here. We right click on our Expert Advisors tab here, click on refresh. To bring this up, just click on view, click on navigator. Right, click on view, click on navigator to bring up this tab here. Tab that contains your indicators, your Expert Advisors, your scripts. So we right click on the advisors, click on refresh to refresh our advisors tab, so that the Expert Advisor we just copied in here is going to show up, and you can see it's for the Quantum Emperor MT5. So I'm going to double tap on it here, and you can see it has actually loaded up here. Okay, so we have the value, the trade comments, we have the box start hour, we have the box end hour, which is start hour and the end hour for trading. We have the points above range, points below range, cancel opposite orders, weeks level, order take profit points, close pending orders at such time, magic number, slippage, trade on Friday disabled, trade on NFP Friday disabled, and then we have activate smart recovery settings true, recovery multiplier inputs, and recovery multiplier times. So all of these values here can be optimized, and then we're going to be looking at these values in our back testing. Okay, so basically I think the Expert Advisor actually opens two orders, a buy stop and a sell stop order. We're going to be showing you guys this in the back test. So once you're done here, make sure your slippage actually coincides with the slippage that your broker offers for your trading platform or whatever. So click on OK. And then we have the Quantum Emperor actually loaded here on your MetaTrader here. Okay, you can see I click on view and I click on toolbox here. Click on expert. You can see the rate is 1.0 and therefore the balance is 300. So the Expert Advisor has actually loaded up here. It doesn't have a dashboard for the MetaTrader 5 for the Quantum Emperor. So let's click on view and let's click on our strategy tester and let's visualize this and try to view this on backtest how this Expert Advisor could actually trade. So we're going to run this on GBP/USD on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and then we're going to run this for a month thereabouts. So I'm just going to click on start to start this expert advisor. So you're going to see how it actually trades here. Okay, so you can see the expert advisor actually trade in real time. Let me just minimize this here. Let me play this out here. So let me just minimize this here. Okay, so we had a buy trade here and we had a take profit here. So it's actually very fast. Let me just allow this to play out. And let's look at the next one here. So the next one, I'm going to try and pause it out so you can actually see what we are talking about here. Okay, so you can see that this strategy actually opens a buy stop, a sell stop on the same pair. Okay, tries to spot breakouts, and then it also has take profits for the buy stop and also a stop loss for the buy stop as well, or for the stop loss for the sell stop, and then we have the stop loss for the buy stop. So it has take profits, stop loss, take profit, stop loss. But you can also see here that the stop loss is actually higher than the take profits for each of the values here. So let me just continue playing this out here. You can see that once the buy order was triggered, the sell stop was deleted. So we have just the buy order now, and we have the take profits for the buy order, and then we have the stop loss for the buy order. So by continuing on this here, you can see that after some time, the expert advisor actually closed the trade. So I think he has another exit strategy, probably close the trade maybe after 2-3 candles, maybe after a candle. I don't know exactly what that is, but I know that it has another exit condition here, other than take profits and stop loss. So that's just basically how the expert advisor works here. So you can see we're opening multiple trades, and it looks to be sort of profitable here. You can see we're up about 5.3% on the back test. Remember, the back test performance doesn't necessarily prove that it's going to perform well on a live account. So you have to make sure to test this on a demo account for a period of time. And if you're comfortable with how it trades or how it works for you, or its trading strategy or performance, then you can proceed to use it on a live account. So feel free to let me know if you want me to use this on VPS, probably on the Timeframe account or on the demo account. Let me know and I'll do that. Right, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@tradingkenny.com. I'm more than happy to respond to you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.